Hello, what is your name?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rayli Manalo.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
I am separated.
Okay, do you have kids?
I have two kids,
How old are they?
5 and 7.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I am working for 2 years.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. I work for 2 years in Jordan.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Oman team,
Omantin? Okay, how many square feet of your employer's house?
1,400 square feet.
How many family member there?
They have 3 elders.
Okay, how many elderly? Okay, elders all adults, right? Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up around 6 a.m. Cook my boss breakfast. Car cleaning. Then I clean the garden, make my breakfast, clean the dog, and start my daily household chores. Then go to the market, prepare the lunch, then do some other things like ironing, and do some cleaning like the cabinets and cupboards. Then around 6 or 7 I prepare the dinner, put the dog food, and clean the kitchen. I go to bed around 9 or 10.
Okay, thank you so much.